How to add Google Maps location to Instagram. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can add Google Maps location to Instagram. The process actually is simple and easy. Simply go ahead and proceed to open up Google Maps first. Now here you want to choose a particular location, whether you want to choose your own live location or any other particular location that you would like to add. For example, here I would like to add this MOPO station right here. Now once you select the location here, you'll get these pop up here. Swipe to the right and you can see share option, tap on share. Once you tap on share, now you'll get the option to share to Instagram messages. If you want to share to messages, you can share it easily to messages. But if you want to share it to your profile, you want to copy the link here by tapping. You can see copy to clipboard. Then proceed to open up Instagram and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can see the edit profile option, click on it. Once you click on edit profile here, you'll get the option to add links or websites. So you want to click on links and you can see add external link, click on it. So you want to paste in the URL here and you want to add in title. For example, this was mobile station, so I'll just type mobile here and save it. Once you have saved it, you want to head back and proceed to save it, right? Now it's been added to my profile. Now when others view my profile, they'll be able to see my profile. So I can head over to profile and they'll be able to find my links. And if they tap on the link, they'll be headed directly into the particular location on Google Maps. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.